Today is July 21st and it's 12 days after my first chemo treatment. And I must say my friend who had a double mastectomy done, she said that your hair loss is like clockwork. On day 12, you'll start losing your hair. And this may not seem like a bunch to y'all, but now it's all bunched up and it really looks gross. But this was for me combing my hair today and it just looks gross. Anyhow, the bad part of this is, that really makes it is when you're combing out your hair and as you're pulling the comb out, your hair just keeps coming out. And that's the part that's really, like, to me, grossed out. But I'm a little upset because this is hair that could have gone to somebody else. I just haven't had an opportunity to really get the wig yet. When I did, it didn't work out, and some other reasons, but tomorrow I will have to go ahead and get my hair shaved so we could go ahead and donate it, because I don't want to lose any more strands when it could be a benefit to somebody else. But also, my friend ended up wanting my kids and I to have family pictures taken with my hair before I lose it. So I just want to share them with you. This is our little family portrait, and this is the first one I've ever taken since our family ended up having our divorce. So it came out pretty good. I was pretty happy about it. And then I had to go ahead and get this one of my kids. It was just way too cute. But this is, I don't know, it's just such a precious gift from my friend that I sincerely appreciate. And speaking of that, Nicole C. Mullins totally surprised me with that message today. It was just so incredible. I went on and I'm just like, what is this shared video here? Tish, you didn't do that. How did that get there? So I clicked on it and I heard the message. And I felt like I was like a girl who just got announced about going to some kind of concert or something. And I don't get excited about things of that nature because I know we're just all human beings and all that kind of stuff, but just hearing her message spoke volumes to me. And I mean, it was just incredible. And how she had mentioned the story of Job. And so many people in my life who knows what I've been going through with so many things in my life are just like, they're just like, Tish, the story of Job. In one way or another, they reference his story. Not that I'm at the degree of what he has gone through, but just the fact that it's one thing after another thing after another thing. And so to hear her say that, it was just like, wow. And then that song that she started singing, that song was a song I played a lot when I was going through my divorce.